So I'm sitting here just enjoying a cigar in the rain, and this girl jumps out of her car and asks to take my picture. Said I look cool sitting here in the rain. There's only one thing I like more than sitting in the rain, and that's running in the rain. God help me, I love it so. Even more than sitting on the corner, smoking a good cigar, glass of milk, and a yogurt. What does make that nice is the $700 beaver felt umbrella made by Stetson. Beaver never felt so good. Running a relaxed mid 7-minute mile. This is what it looks like to run in the rain. There is nobody out here ever when it's raining. If you want to be the best, you got to think like a mailman. The only exception is you don't take Sundays off or holidays. And the mail. We're done. How'd we do? 7:40? Not too bad. 31 minutes and some change. And nothing feels better. It's not even cold out. I started with a shirt, ditched it halfway through the run. I missed Friday. When I run with him and I have a shirt or a sweatshirt, I tie it to his halter and he carries it for me. He's a good horse.
You can't win!
Don't you stop. You've only been running for an hour. What? There is no tomorrow. A nice looking sunset. Come on. That's another one. Next week with some nice new shoes. You'll be all right. Quit looking at me like that. I didn't tell you to wear a winter coat today.